Cool. And we can stop it and see what happens. Okay, so I'm running my programs off of two separate machines. I'll film that for the end so I can get the bonus extra credit points. And I already have the code on the other machine, but I'll just make it here real quick. Just to show. And I will go ahead and run it. I'm running this over on my other machine in port 9090, and the host is 192.168.0.21, and it'll take a bit of time. It takes about 35 seconds, so just because I guess the internet connection is slow in doing this. But yeah, I have two different Linux machines. I have a laptop on a lightweight Ubuntu, and then I have my virtual machine on my laptop, and I'm running it off of, or the client off of here, and then the server off of my secondary laptop. And you'll be able to see that in the video at the end. And we're all done. We got all of the points. And yeah, it took 43 seconds and some microseconds on top of that. And so that was the first one. And then for the rest of this, I guess this part, the BIMDC, I'll do off of my machine just because I don't think there's any other way to do it, or to show the difference at least. I should have had it pulled down already though, so I'll need to go ahead and download that. Oh, am I not recording? Nope. I'm going to pause the recording and then resume after I've downloaded it. Okay, cool. I just downloaded the files, and so in BIMDC, you can see that there's the handout. Open it, show it to you. So it's for PA6, all that good junk. And then when I go to received, it's not there. So I'll go ahead and open a new server or a new terminal and run the server off of here. /r, let's do 9080. Got to be in the right directory first. Okay, cool. So run the server out of 9080. And so it's ready to accept. Then we can go down to the local terminal off of here. And I'll record or do client. And let's see here. /client /r 9080 /host -h, and then the local host because that's the only way we'll be able to test the files if they're the same, is going to be that. And then the file we want to do is handout.pdf. And we'll run that, pull up the terminal. It's taking a little bit of time. And it's giving this message out, but if we check down here and we do if bimdc slash handout.pdf and recv slash handout.pdf, we can see that there's no difference. And then I already have address sanitizer implemented in my makefile. So in all of these, you can see that it's not leaking anything. And then, so we'll go to client.cpp and so we'll go to event polling thread. So here's the event polling thread. We're creating an empty epoll list. We are priming and adding all the things like we're supposed to. Then we record all the states. And then down here is all our reuse stuff. Let me get to it. So our reuse channel stuff still held over from PA5. And then all the send and return stuff, same as PA5. And then cleaning all the heap allocated objects. We don't have any memory leaks on the client side, and then we can even control C on the terminal side, and there's no memory leaks there either. And then yeah, so that's basically it for the demo portion of it. I'll add a video onto the end of showing my two machines, and thank you for a great semester.